Right, what I want to do with this one, I want to re-wet the eye and just put a little bit more colour in there, I think. So let's kind of wet the area first, give it a nice blend that way as well. And drop a little bit more burnt umber in there. Just to wet it back a bit. Try and leave that highlight in one place. But again, if we paint it over, then therefore we can just simply put a little bit of white paint in there as well. And what I want to do while this is wet, I'm just going to touch it with a little bit of lamp black, just around the edge. And just with a clean damp brush, I'm just going to blend this in that little bit. Just to soften it down. And then with the lamp black, I'm going to try and put a pupil in there now. Again, trying not to paint over that highlight area. Constantly looking back and forth at the photo. Just put a little pupil in there. Just touch it in. Then all this brown area will have to be darkened a little bit more now, and that will just be a watered down mix of lamp black and burnt umber, which I'll do shortly. And within the eye, it's a bit too bright in here at the moment. I'm just going to pop this in, just to tone it back down that a little bit. That's looking a bit better now. And put a bit more on the side here. It's all about letting things dry. You can use a hairdryer if you want to kind of dry it a little bit quicker. Which I do occasionally, but I prefer to kind of let it dry naturally normally. The drying time depends on the temperature of your room, but we'll see how long that takes to dry. While that's wet, I'm just going to wait for that to dry, just touch in the bottom eyelid with the same colour. Just so I know where things go more than anything really. And then around the outside, there's barely any paint on my brush now. I'm just going to touch in these areas a little bit. And then with a damp, clean brush, I'm going to wet these areas in now to soften them down that a little bit as well. Right, and I think just to finish this off that a little bit more now, I'm just going to put a tiny highlight, watercolour white in there. I'll keep looking at the reference photo, it comes fairly high up. Just to touch it in. And I've also noticed very often within animals, birds, dogs, there's very often a tiny highlight just in the bottom area down here where the tear duct is. Well, I don't know if I've got one on a bird, but I'll pop that one in. And a couple of highlights around the outside area. I've also noticed as well, there's highlights around here and around there. So I'm just going to put a little bit of watercolour white there. Clean the brush off that tiny bit, and with a damp, clean brush, just going to soften this back, just to get a little bit of a feel for roundness. This will dry lighter as well. So I want this to kind of nearly fade away. Just gives that bit more of a form to the eye as well. And there we go. That's one eye of a wren.